self-employed, or an investor, and need cash without giving up your low first mortgage rate, you may not need to refinance. A bank statement. Second mortgage is a fixed-term, lump-sum second mortgage that may let you tap equity while keeping your first loan intact. You may qualify using 12 and 24 months of bank statements, and in many cases, no appraisal may be required. If speed matters, quick quote, clear checklist, fast steps, no runaround. Typical guidelines: $150,000 to $750,000, up to 90% CLTV, 680 plus credit. Call 8-677-677-2526 for a quick quote today. All programs subject to underwriting and lender guidelines.